If you are new to editing videos, I can understand that you have been struggling around to find the simple and creative effect for your videos. But if I tell you that it is not so hard to create any effect. So in this video, I will show you my 5 simple and creative masking effects so you can use in your editing videos. Let's start with revealing text. Write down your text here and adjust the color, font and the position of the text. Once it's done, then by selecting the text, click on rectangular mask here and adjust the position of the mask with respect to the person swimming. Click on the stopwatch icon to create a keyframe. When person swim forward, make the text reveal in every 4 to 7 frame. Let me show you how to reveal it, like this. And when it's done, adjust the parameter of the mask properties and make it more accurate. Let me play it. Looking good. But with the water, we need the text should be float like water. So for that, add the wave wrap effect to the text layer and change the wave type to semicircle and make the height to 5, width to 64 and the direction should be 60 to 65 and speed will be 1.3 and the value could be changed according to the footage. And let's see the final result. And awesome. And next, if you like the video, just hit the like button so it can spread to other people also. Moving on to the next, add the color balance RGB effect to the footage and create a mask around the classes like this. Take your time. When it's done, then track the mask path by clicking on this and let's Premiere Pro track the mask path. If the mask path goes off, you can always come back and adjust it. When it's done, change the value red and green and blue and you can see on the screen the color of the glasses changing. If you want to change the color of other glasses, then nest it and follow the same process. And with the same technique, the next masking effect to blur out the person from the footage. Add Gaussian blur to the footage and create a circle mask around the person face. And then track the mask path and let's Premiere Pro track the mask path. After tracking, increase the blurriness till the person face got blurred. Let's see. And by using masking technique, you can also animate the lower third in Premiere Pro by simply add the text in the lower third and adjust the color and font accordingly. Click on the rectangular mask tool here and we need to animate the text by simply click the stopwatch icon on position and animate like this. And it's totally depend on you what you want to animate and how you want to animate. Let's play our animation. And it's harsh, but it's good. Now with the next cool animation, we need a person or something walk from the camera and create a mask like this around the person and check this inverted here. And we need to keyframe the mask frame by frame and take your time to do this masking. I like it to be more accurate and let me fast forward this process. Once it's done, place your other footage just below this mask footage and let's see how is it looking. You can always adjust your mask properties and adjust your mask path for more accuracy. And here is the thing, if you want to level up your effect, then here in this video I will be showing the one of the famous effect of the famous creator.